I built this little retaining wall here. This is where the runway would go. I'm using this gray base plate temporarily, and I like how this turned out. I like these little water streams coming out of the sewers. Right now, I'm currently building a drawbridge. Because right there's the canal, and obviously the train tracks have to go over it. I want to use these rail pieces for the drawbridge because I feel like it deserves to have its own rail. And also, I'm very limited on straight tracks, and they are very expensive, so any opportunity I get to swap them out for something cheaper, I will. This is the mechanism I have so far. This here moves. This gear would turn, which would push it out, and it'll go on some rails that will guide it up. Alright, so after fiddling around for a while, I have this design so far. These are temporary, they are just to keep it in place. I am missing a lift arm right there. I have not found a piece to use for that yet, so it's a bit wobbly, but I'm pretty sure it'd be more sturdy once I find that lift arm. But as you can see, very smoothly moves on. I need to find the other one of these rails, and I know it's around here somewhere, but I turn this. That shouldn't happen. Okay, the problem was this wheel assembly here, which supports the bridge, got knocked down. Keep lifting this up. And there we go. That's pretty tall, and I'm happy with the height. I wish it could have gone like almost vertical, but this is pretty good. And here's a closer look at the mechanism. It's just using one of these linear, whatever they're called. And there's these two Technic beams here, which act as rails. And then this assembly here, which I did change, because the problem was that the lift arm was bumping into the brick, and it was pushing it out of place. So I made this design, which shifted it over a bit. I made the wheels a bit bigger to compensate for that, and I haven't had any problems yet. Those just keep it in place. All right, got the mechanism complete. I made this sturdier. See, it works pretty well. Alright, this is some pretty good news. Got back from some shopping. Got 1 blue base plate, 2 blue base plate, 3 blue base plates, 4 blue base plates, and a big 48 by 48 base plate. And here is the drawbridge in place in the city. Did you guys know that they changed the corners of the base plates to make them more durable? This base plate here, which is very recent, doesn't have this reinforced design here, but I'm glad they changed it. Bricklink order just arrived. In my order, I got all of these support pieces, some more in red, 60 of these Technic pins, and these light gray support pieces. And finally, the first runway base plate. This order is from Brickhead Shop in Pennsylvania.